just say, this is the first time I am wearing jeans since March, and they fit. Hey guys and dolls, welcome to my channel. This is Take a Breath with Alexis, and I am Alexis, and in today's video, I am going to be doing a shoe Today's video, I'm going to be doing a shoe unboxing. So on May 1st, Aldo did a collection with Disney, I guess because it's the 70th anniversary of Cinderella. So they did a Cinderella themed collection, limited edition of shoes. So I'll put a picture of like what the whole collection looked like. I thought that was a really cute idea, and I thought the shoes are, well, some of the shoes were really cute. I decided to get a pair of sandals or slippers, I guess. Just right off the bat, I think this box is so cute. Like, the coloring is spot on, the branding is spot on. I didn't buy a lot. These are the only things I bought from that collection because I'm coming at you with a hot take, but Cinderella is not my favorite princess. My favorite princesses are as follows: Pocahontas, Tiana, Moana, Merida, in that specific order. So yeah, so I got these slippers. They were called Curfew. I'll show you a picture of them. And these were $70. I do feel like that's kind of expensive, but you know, Aldo's always kind of been a little expensive. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. Oh, look at that. How cute. Do you see that? It has a clock on the inside. It says, "What curfew?" All right. Aw. Even the little tissue paper has little coach. The little pumpkin coach on it. It's cute. Okay, so everything is very well packed. I did watch some other reviews, and people did complain that like their stuff wasn't shipped well and their stuff came broken and everything, but I do not have that complaint. I think they shipped this really well. Okay, so here's the shoe before I unwrap this, but on the sole it says Disney by Aldo. And then on here it says, "If the shoe fits." Aw, that's cute. It's a really good attention to detail. Now, to the important part, the gems. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so this is the gem detail. Hopefully I'm in frame. There, that's really pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can appreciate how pretty that looks, but yeah, this is really pretty. Okay, and then on the bottom of the shoe there's this, and it just has that little pumpkin coach on the back too. Oh, okay. I am so far impressed. Oh, there is a little scuff or glue stuck on this one, but it looks just as good as the other shoe. So far, fresh out of the box, my expectations are met, and let's try these bad boys on my feet. Also, can we get into my Cinderella inspired look today? Like, Okay, let's quit playing around. Let's try on these shoes. All right, so let's get into these shoes. So for reference, I'm a size 7.5. I will say that they do fit true to size. I love the iridescence that are on the gems. They just look so pretty. I walked around with these shoes for a bit and they are actually quite comfortable. They don't slide off or anything. And I feel like you could style these with anything, jeans, dresses, but enough with my feet. Let's move on. All right, y'all. So overall, I am happily impressed with the shoes. I think they are super cute. They were exactly what I expected them to be. So I did check Aldo's website, and currently right now I don't see anywhere where you can buy them. They aren't available, but they did mention that they are going to be having a second release, so we'll have to check them out for that one. I will put a link down below to their website if you wanted to check out these shoes. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. This was a really fun video to make, actually. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you like what you've seen so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the gang, and you will be able to see awesome videos just like this one. Also, give me a thumbs up too if you really liked what you've seen. I haven't done this in a really long time, but in the comments down below, tell me who is your favorite prince or princess, and it's okay if you have a list just like me. But thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I noticed that I have 2 new subscribers, so welcome to the family. And yeah, so let's just all stop and take our collective breath. And thank you for stopping by to take a breath with me. I'll see you in my next one.